In our work, because we are interacting with practitioners and we want the ideas to be taken up, we formulated several sticky phrases. And a sticky phrase is something that's a little bit unusual, but it stays with you because it has an insight. And so one sticky phrase, for example, is use the group to change the group. If you want to change the group, use the group to change the group. That really means that the principal is creating a culture where people are learning from each other, and it's the group that gets better, with the principal being a key person. Another sticky phrase, and it's not my own original one, it's simplexity. And simplexity, obviously not a real word, but quite a good concept. When people are faced these days, things are complex. There's no question about it. All kinds of variables and changes, and you can predict there'll be changes. So when something's complex, what most people do, if they're rational, the policymakers or others, they either oversimplify it, which means that it's superficial, or if they get serious about it, and this is ironical, is that they make complexity complicated, more complicated. The more you rationally try to make sure complexity happens, the more complicated the root is, so it just doesn't work. It overwhelms people. So what complexity means in a nutshell is when you take something that's quite complex, you boil it down to the smallest number of key components. That's the simple part. There are 4 in coherence. And then the complex part is how do those 4 interact and gel? And recently we've been using the analogy of the heart for those 4 parts of a component. We all know the heart has 4 chambers, that a healthy heart, the blood is flowing in and out and across, and if any one of the compartments is damaged, you die. Well, we say if any one of the 4 of our pieces in the coherence framework, if they're damaged, the organization is dysfunctional. So this is then what our simplexity notion. The complex part is how to make the heart pump in all those 4 places and be healthy and keep getting healthier.